What if the power went out right now? Could you feed your family a real dinner? Not just survive, actually eat a delicious meal? Would you believe that I made pizza a prepper meal? Now, what if the power stayed out for a month? What's really in your pantry? Hear me out for a second. I've spent years building meals that work in real life and emergencies. I don't do bland survival food. I build pantry systems that taste like you ordered takeout. It's not your crazy uncle's prepper food, but it is emergency ready. And pizza as a prepper meal? Yep. And it can be made any busy night of the week. It looks like restaurant level, right? Golden, saucy, cheesy comfort food. But here's the twist. It's 100% straight from the pantry. No fridge, no stress, no sad can of beans. Everyone says stock up on beans and rice. I say stop lowering the bar. We have the world at our fingertips and we are settling for beans and rice. I'm flipping the prepping food community upside down. No more buckets of mystery mush. No more pouch meals you hide in the back of your closet. Every delicious recipe that I make feeds you today and protects you tomorrow. It's daily life dinner and emergency food all in one. A true 2-for-1. Homemade pepperoni pizza is the excitement of the week. Pizza will bring a smile to everyone's face. And here's the wild part. You could buy these ingredients today, store them properly for a year, and it would taste just as good as the day you bought it. That's why I love pantry meals. They save your weeknight and they save your future. Power outage, storm, empty shelves, you're calm, you're fed. You're not in a panic line at the store. I started Loaded Potato to stop stressing about dinner every night. Easy meals, ready to go. But now it's about never stressing about dinner again. These recipes got your back. Keep watching. I'm about to show you how to make this apocalypse-proof pepperoni pizza step by step. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator, the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rigged system that has us locked in our kitchens for hours when there is a better way. Everything you need is in your pantry. No more hours of slicing and dicing. I show you how to make quick, delicious meals for about $1 or $2. No hours of prep. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll make sure that you never have to worry about another meal again, tomorrow or 30 years from now. Enough yapping, let's get started. Here's everything you'll need. Your delicious sourdough pizza crust, easily made the day before with bread flour, water, olive oil, and salt. Then, for the actual pizza, you'll just need tomato sauce, freeze-dried mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, and Italian seasoning. With your beautiful sourdough pizza crust that you made earlier, set your crust on a pizza pan or any cooking sheet that fits it. Preheat your oven to 425. As the oven is preheating, we will assemble the pizza. Open the tomato sauce and spread evenly on the pizza crust with the back of a spoon. Sprinkle Italian seasoning over all of the tomato sauce. In a small cup, combine your freeze-dried mozzarella cheese and water to rehydrate the cheese. Stir together so that all the cheese has water around it. Let rehydrate for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, open the log of pepperoni and slice the pepperoni in discs, as thick or thin as you want. Once your cheese has finished rehydrating, drain any excess water. Sprinkle the cheese over the tomato sauce. Place the sliced pepperoni evenly around the pizza. Now that your pizza is assembled, place it into your oven at 425 for 15 to 25 minutes, or until the edges start to turn golden and the cheese is nice and melted. The result, restaurant-worthy, cheesy, delicious pepperoni pizza that you can make any night or during the apocalypse, because it's all straight from the pantry. This recipe is so delicious and so easy. You have to try it for an easy dinner, recipe below. If dinner's been feeling like a never-ending burden, it's time to ditch the Martha Stewart ideals and follow me. For more quick, shelf-stable meals, visit loadedpotato.org to find recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and all my favorite fridge-free recipes. And while you're there, use our auto grocery calculator to stock your pantry like a boss for tomorrow and 30 years from now. Just pick your meals and we'll do all the calculating for you. You can even add the ingredients straight to your Walmart or Amazon Fresh cart, all free. Never worry about dinner again. Loadedpotato.org. Till next time.